Hello, YouTube.
Ooh, so we made it to the car wash. Yeah, as you can see, this bitch is dirty as hell. Ew, nasty. I got bird shit everywhere. Birds don't like purple. Yeah. Whole bunch of bird shit. But let's go get your new fresh weight. And then we're gonna get back with a little video of the whip getting washed and shit. But yeah.
I don't think that's the soap.
This is soap.
I think the soap has to come out the rim.
No. There you go.
That's see?
Because we didn't have it on foam brush.
I told you something was missing.
We're gonna need to put another more money in this.
You have to be quick.
We only have 37 seconds.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta hit me.
Oh, yo. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. Oh, the front rim, too.
Bitch, I'm gonna throw you soap. What the fuck?
She about to be a little bit clean. Still dirty, but it's okay. You gotta put that other dollar in, girl. I owe you $7 right now. Fingers?
Oh, no.
Alright, so we finished washing the car. I went to the curb. There was nobody there. That shit was dead as fuck. We had Chevron, you feel me, fueling up. Yo, I would never get over how annoying this wrap was to install. I'm gonna sit here one day and give y'all a little rapping lesson, cause this shit looks easy, but it's not. But we fueling up. I'm about to, might go into demon time. Shit, I don't know yet. I seen a lot of cops on the street today, but you know, that's what we got a stunt driver for. So we don't get into no trouble. So we just pay somebody. It's not my whip. It's an identical whip that the stunt driver got, and he just be hitting shit. But look, y'all boys just seen me wash this shit. Look. Would be. But yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see how the streets looking. I just seen a nigga just terrorize the hell out of that corner over there. It just came out. Fucking left to the casino. But let's get it.
What the fuck? You gotta break my fucking hand. I'm over here.
Oh, you're holding on?
No, I was here and then you turned this whole side and my arm went inside the thing. So since my boyfriend's not talking to y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all. It's currently what time is it, babe? Cause I can't. 2:26. And he's over here waking people up. Ooh, was that a glass bottle?
Yep. You don't think we could shoot it here?
Yeah, we could. It could be in any parking spot. Hopefully my boyfriend don't run me over, guys. Okay, so we're recording the car from the outside. We have like the what? Policia over there. And then we have my novia right there outside.
Cold, bruh. It's cold. It's pale. Catch me in the evil
Hold
Hello
on.
Kitty blanket.
You know, where's my phone?
What?
Who's from? Bitch, this nasty ass song talking about who can't be my friend.
Bruh, look at the clip. Look at the clip. Why are you chasing?
Yeah.
Why are you chasing me, bruh?
Away from the car.
Look at the scenery. The wild purple cherry. You said what? No, the fuck you not. Oh yo. I'm fucking Batman. Did you just try to drive my car off?
No, I try to hit you.
Back to the future. We're in the Dodge Chandler. You can't even see her.
Wait, hold on. I got you. So, we have our... What? Let me get the camera. That's perfect.
So we're in the Dodge Chandler 2024. You feel me? Comes equipped with my name, SRT Woody. 392 Woody. I'm fried. Alright. 392 Woody.
And then they come with starlights.
It comes with starlights. Damn, hold it a little bit closer to the starlights.
Like, I zoomed it out for y'all to see.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
But you have to make sure that we fucking look good. Are you gonna edit that shit? Are you gonna put all the filters? make sure you put my
I don't think he's taking a YouTube video. I think he's taking.
Yeah. I like this one. This is my good side. And this is my other good side.
Look, you gotta put light on.
Oh. Now I'm
Celebrity
blind.
star.
Now I'm fucking on YouTube blind.